Hi, my name is Charlie, and I'm with Modern Exterior, and today we're out in a home in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, checking out an attic inspection for a roof that we're going to do. And when you do new roofs, it's really important to take a look in the attic because there might be some things that you miss. And with this home, you have some bathroom vents that are running up into the attic, but they don't penetrate through to the outside. So when you have a bathroom fan installed, a lot of times contractors will just run it right into the attic. Like this one here, it's just hanging off. And you have two more that are just going up to the ceiling there. So what we want to do when you do this attic is just basically cut a hole and penetrate it through the deck cavity and attach it to a proper external bathroom vent cap. And that way we won't put unnecessary moisture in this attic that could create mold. So it'll be a lot safer for the homeowners. So thanks for watching. Once again, I'm Charlie with Modern Exterior, and have a good day.